Your mind is not a place where thoughts arrive. It's a garden where they are planted. And whatever you choose to plant, fear or joy, chaos or clarity, will grow and shape the world you walk through. Most people don't realize they are carrying a storm inside their own head. They blame the weather of life, not knowing they created the clouds. But the moment you choose different thoughts, the moment you choose to breathe, to notice, to be aware, the entire landscape changes. Choose thoughts that lift you. Choose the ones that make your inner world lighter. Because when your mind becomes a peaceful place, life begins to reflect that peace back to you. Your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. In this video, we dive into the truth behind the saying, "You are what you think about." Discover how choosing positivity every day can transform your mindset, boost your happiness, and improve your overall life. Learn practical tips to shift your focus away from negativity and create a positive environment that uplifts you. Remember, the quality of your thoughts determine the quality of your life. Your mind is a powerful tool. What you focus on grows. Choose positivity every single day and watch how your life transforms. Remember, a positive mindset doesn't just make you feel better, it shapes your reality. Start today by surrounding yourself with uplifting thoughts and good vibes only. Did you know your thoughts have the power to shape your reality? When you focus on positivity, you invite more good things into your life. Choosing a positive mindset every day isn't just about feeling better. It's about creating the life you want to live. Take a moment today to shift your thoughts. Surround yourself with positivity and watch the change happen. Your mindset truly matters. If this resonates with you, hit like and share to spread the good vibes.